Hi guys, I am Vignesh. Now we are going to learn about how to model this Wilderman structures by using of different kind of profiles. First I am going to draw one simple center point rectangle profile. Look at the overall structures. Here we have both a horizontal frame, vertical frame combinations with each other. First, what is the dimensions of it? Horizontal dimensions is 380 mm. Next to vertical dimensions is 340 mm. Once I draw the profile, it is just to represent the length and width of the overall rectangular profile area. Now the height of this portion is 280 mm. How we can determine whether it is a 280 or a 260? If you look at these dimensions for this vertical portions is 260 mm representing the area, but it is only from the one portions to the particular area itself. We need to find out the square tube dimensions. The square tube dimensions is nothing but 20 mm. So just add 260 plus 20 mm, we get a 280 mm. So make a solid body under the value itself. Again, I am going to pick the top faces and create new sketch. Afterwards, using convert entities to create the outer edges into a sketch. Afterwards, make a solid body by using of this rectangular sketch profile. Now the dimensions of this, that is the height of this particular portion is 260 mm. So mention the value of 260 mm in this case. Look at it, it comes from the bottom edge to the top portions. So mention 260 mm in this cases itself. Once we mention the value, also uncheck the merge result because we need to separate the solid body itself. Now I am going to make all type of edges into a sketch. Go to 3D sketch, select the bottom faces. Holding your control button, select all sharp edges which you want to create a new sketch in this area one by one by holding your control button. Select each and every sharp edges into a sketch. Now pick this vertical edges itself. Again selecting the top rectangular edges one by one and form a sketch by using of convert entities. Select a convert entities to initialize a new sketch in this current vertical area. Now select a convert entities to create a new sketch in this patterns. Then exit the sketch from the zone. Afterwards, hide the rectangular block, both the top one as well as the bottom one. Once you hide the rectangular block, it is also similar like our Wilderman structures frame. Using the sketch profiles only, we are going to create a structures from this area. Now look at this portions, it is exactly similar to the 3D model.